Hello everyone, welcome to another mind-blowing puzzle of the series Logic Builder Puzzles for CAT, where we discuss puzzle just to understand the approach and steps so that we can use it later to solve LRDI sets of CAT levels, right? So this puzzle, if you did not try before, then try it now and then check the solution for your answer. Three nurses are working in the same hospital. On only one day of the week, all three nurses are on duty. No nurse is on duty on 3 consecutive days. No two nurses are off on the same day more than once a week. The first nurse is off on Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Now, this is very important. The first nurse is off on Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. This is certain. It doesn't say that on rest of the days, this nurse, the first nurse is working. It could be more off days for first nurse. But these three are definitely off days for the first nurse. The second nurse is off on Thursday and Saturday. Again, on these 2 days, the second nurse is definitely having off day, but it could be more than these days as well. The third nurse is off on Sunday. Which day of the week are all three nurses on duty? So definitely to solve this, we need to make a table like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Then we have first nurse, let's say N1, second nurse N2, and third nurse. Now we are going to use the given information one by one. It says no nurse is on duty 3 consecutive days. So we will have to consider this. And on only one day of the week, all three nurses are on duty. Out of these 7 days, only one day, all three nurses are on duty. No two nurses are off on the same day more than once a week. The first nurse is off on Sunday, off not working on Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. The second nurse off on Thursday and Saturday. The second nurse is off on Thursday and Saturday. The third nurse is off on Sunday. Now, there is very important information here which says no two nurses are off on the same day more than once. So, what we can say, first nurse and second nurse have off day on Thursday. So if first nurse have off on Tuesday, nurse 2 must be working here, right? No two nurses can have same off days more than once. So on Thursday, both of these are working. Both of these are not working. So on Tuesday, it's not possible that both of these are not working. One of them must be working. So that's why first nurse is not working, second nurse must be working. Similarly, in case of Saturday, we can say that first nurse must be working. In case of Sunday, we can say second nurse must be working. It's really fun, right? Then, in case of first nurse and the third nurse, both of them have off days on Sunday. Now, this cannot be on any more day. So on Thursday, can we say third nurse must be working because nurse 1, nurse 3, both of them cannot be having off days apart from Sunday. Then again on Tuesday, third nurse must be working because first is not working. Anything else we can find out here? Can I say that one information that is given here, no nurse is on duty on 3 consecutive days. In that case, on Wednesday, third nurse cannot be working, right? Now, what's the question? Question is, which day of the week are all three nurses on duty? All three nurses. It cannot be Tuesday, it cannot be Wednesday, or Thursday, or Saturday, or Sunday. It can only be Monday or Friday. Now, is there anything that we can do here? Yes, this information which says no two nurses are off on the same day more than a week. Now, if you consider our second nurse, she is working on Sunday as well as she is working on Tuesday. Now, if she is working on Monday, there will be 3 consecutive days where she is working, because it's not about one particular week, it's about all the weeks. It's about schedule, right? So the second nurse cannot be working on Monday, because then she will be working 3 days consecutive. So what we can say, the only day which is left where all three could be working will be Friday. So what's our answer? Our answer is Friday is the day on which all three nurses are working together. Okay, so I hope you were able to get the right answer, or otherwise you understood the solution. Thank you.